The snow is still falling in Oregon's high Cascades. A flash of red moves across the white silence. Not a deer, not a coyote, a fox. But this isn't just any fox. At over 6,000 feet elevation, winter temperatures drop below freezing. Food is scarce. Every step across the snow burns precious energy. And somewhere in this frozen wilderness, something is watching. In western Oregon's forests, the gray fox climbs trees to escape danger, the only wild canid in North America that can do so. But here, at higher elevations, survival belongs to the elusive Sierra Nevada red fox. Fewer than most people realize still roam these mountains. They hunt rodents beneath the snow using pinpoint hearing. One miscalculation means wasted energy, and winter doesn't forgive mistakes. Further east, in Oregon's arid shrub steppe, the tiny kit fox faces a different challenge: habitat loss and competition with coyotes. Small, lightweight, built for desert survival. 3 foxes, 3 ecosystems, all fighting for balance in landscapes shaped by climate, predators, and human expansion. The red figure in the snow stops. It listens, then leaps. Snow explodes into the air, and when it settles, the fox rises with its prize. For tonight, it survives. But survival isn't the same as security. Because while Oregon's foxes still endure, some populations remain fragile, isolated, and rarely seen. Comment below which wildlife animal you want us to cover next, and subscribe so you don't miss it.